Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video where we're reviewing a very cool medic bag. This is the 5.11, they call it the UCR, so the Urban Casualty Response Bag, right? It's used by TAC teams, it's used by wilderness medics, it's used all across the line, I would say. Law enforcement, for example. This is a sling, you carry it across, but it also has multiple handles on the top, on the side, and I'll show you all of that in a minute. If you're anything like me, then you have multiple bags. You've got backpacks, you have regular bags, slings and whatnot. And I struggled to find something that would basically fit almost all purpose, right? And I guess this is the one. It's 5.11, so it's not a cheap bag, but the quality is outstanding as per usual. And yeah, it's time we dive in. All right, here we go. Alrighty, so here we have our bag. Now, like I said, it's a sling, right? So you carry this across your shoulder. And the cool thing is, when you're doing that, if you need to get something fast, you can just flip it around to your stomach, right? And then you can open up this zipper, sorry, not that one. You can open up this zipper and you can flip this open halfway, which allows you to access everything from the top. If you have it on the floor, let's say, you can pull down the zippers even further and now you get something looking like this, okay? Now this basically already gives you access to everything. So I got ALS stuff in here, BLS stuff in here. I got OPAs, NPAs, I got a mask, I have a SAT meter, I got Israeli scissors, everything, right? So this is the main field, if you will. Zippers here for an extra large pocket. That's actually Velcroed, so you can rip that off. Let's say you have a stop to bleed kit in here. You can just open the pouch, rip that off completely. It's Velcro, all right? Here you have all these cross sections with elastic band that you can put items into. And then here, there is another set, right? So these two rows, tourniquets, anything you want to put there, right? Okay, here is a main large section that contains a lot of things. But although there's a lot of stuff here, you can easily still find everything, and that's pretty critical, okay? And then in the back of this space here, you have individual sections where you can clip in pens or lights or that kind of stuff. All right, okay, let's move on to the exterior. Let's close that up. Put that one about halfway. These are very strong zippers. They got these T-pulls on it, very strong as well. Now, there's an additional pocket here. And I got gloves and such in here, so if you need that for quick access, you can do that. All right, then we have a big pocket on the front right here. Let me flip that around. And I got a splint in here and some pukey bags. And yeah, it has very, very strong carrying handles. One on the top here, and there is one on the side right here. And one of the coolest features, I think, is there are straps here to attach a litter on the bottom, right? Now, a carrying litter is a very cool thing to have with you in case you need to relocate somebody in a hurry. This one's an aftermarket one. I know that 5.11 sells these. I couldn't get one though, right? They weren't available, so I went online and I got this one. This one is rated for, I think, 400 pounds or 450 even, and it wasn't that expensive. So I'll put a link below if you want to get one of those, right? So yeah, this is a very, very self-contained bag. And so far, after trying, I don't know, over the years, maybe 10 different bags, this by far is my favorite, right? So yeah, now you have an idea what you can fit in one of these, and yeah, hopefully it was helpful, right? If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.